Okay, everyone, we are back. I gave you time to understand what the error is, and I'm now going to fix it easily. Some of you may guess how to fix it, and some of you may not. The error is easy. We place 2 here and now. When we run the code, run it, add a student. For example, 1, Sarah, and 52. Change name. Now a student ID, we must put a student 1 and name, for example, Lila. Okay, what is the problem? It said STR object does not support item assignment. This is one of the problems. Another one, can you guess? We must put dictionary here. Sorry, dict. Let's say it's the name is dict. Okay. Now when we run it, add a student 1, Sarah, 52. Change name. Put it here, and then enter a new name. What is our new name? Can you guess? Leila. And a view. You see, the student name is Leila. Our code is running great, but we need to change it. What change we needed? Can you guess? At first, we need to show the full list before changing name. Some of you may ask why. To tell you why, when the person want to change a name, he or she should the name, known names. Okay. And then when the person gave us the student ID, we must give it a student ID easily. It's not need to write all the name here. We put a student here. Now let's run it. For example, add a student ID, add a student, and for example 1, name Sarah, and 52. And when we say change name, it shows us the list and want us to enter the ID. We said 1, and for the new name we say Mia. And then when we say view, the first name has been changed by me, but we need to print something here to set that the name has been changed. The name. What we should get? The name we have here. What name we have here? This name. We must copy that, the name. Here, changed to the new name. Now we run it. Okay, we pause it and run it again. Enter a function, add a student. For example, 1, Olaf, 34, and then change name, and we easily put 1 and new name. For example, what we say, Natasha, and it said the name Natasha changed to Natasha. What is the problem? Can you guess? We must put it here. The name is changed and we print the changed name. What shall we do? We should easily copy that and, for example, assign A to it, and here we just copy that and paste A. Sorry, copy that, paste A. Now when we run the code, you see, as a matter of fact, okay, wait a little. Sorry, I write the wrong thing. Add a student For example, one Kazuha 52 and change name. For example, student ID 1 Muvika. The name Kazuha changed to Muvika. Now we can view and everything look great. Okay everyone, this is the end of this session. We are near the end of this project. Until that time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice time.